These are live visuals of the actor who's along with his wife who will be leaving in a short while from now. The actor, his family members are next to him. You can see those live pictures coming in. Allu Arjun getting inside his car. In moments from now, he will be leaving for the Chikatpalli police station. His family members are with him. Allu Arjun is going to be leaving along with his security team. Live and latest images coming in from the actor's Jubilee Hills residence. He's bidding goodbye to his wife and his child. And then actor has, he's sitting inside his car right now. Along with his security team, Allu Arjun will be leaving, where there's a lot of bandobast, if you can see, both at the police station and at the actor's residence. Barricading has taken place outside the actor's residence and also at the police station. The cops here do not want to take any chance. Looking at the way things unfolded over the last few days, there was vandalism that broke out. Okay, Allu Arjun has left, is now leaving from his residence. His car is moving out, and those are the live and latest pictures. He's leaving, and in half an hour from now, he's expected to reach the Chikatpalli police station. Live and latest pictures coming in. The actor is just leaving his residence there. He will be appearing before the police station. There's a huge media contingent also present there. Let me go back. Let me go to Akansha, who's tracking all the live updates. Akansha, we're getting the live and latest updates. Allu Arjun has left for the police station.
Well, absolutely, Salvika. Just a while back, Allu Arjun left for the police station. He stepped out of his residence. He waved to media and then bid goodbye to his family members. There was his wife and also a small kid. And now he has left for the police station. He's heading towards the police station. He has been called for questioning at 11 o'clock. So he will have to face the law, even though the movie may have been a blockbuster. But he will have to face the law and answer to the police, because claims and counter claims have been coming as far as this case is concerned. But in the visuals you can see, he along with his counsels and also his personal security team have all left for the police station. They will be, in fact, he will be questioned in connection with this case. We'll try and in fact track him till the police station. But these are the live visuals that are coming as far as the stampede case is concerned. Allu Arjun has left for the police station for the interrogation.
All right, so Allu Arjun is leaving from his residence, seen first on Times. Now the visuals are on your screens that you're seeing on the left side. Before he left for the police station, he was seen hugging his wife, his family members, saying bye to him as he got into the vehicle. He has just left from his residence and is heading towards Chikatpalli police station, where my colleague Shomit is reporting from. Shomit, Allu Arjun has left from his residence. He is headed towards the police station, we are told.
Well, yes, Pratibha, very soon Allu Arjun is expected here. We can clearly see security heightened. Even there at Jubilee Hills, his Jubilee Hills residence, even here at Chikatpalli police station. And last time we have saw how, when Allu Arjun was initially detained from his residence, when he was brought here, we saw how, hundreds of fans gathered here. And at that time, the police, didn't take enough measures, because they were in hurry in immediately detaining him and later taking him into the custody. And then from there we have saw how he was taken from here to Chikatpalli police station to the hospital, from there to the court, from there to the Central Prison. And we can clearly see here this time they have taken enough measures, they have done enough deployment. If I will ask my VJ to show some shots here, huge deployment including the women force. And on the other hand, even these roads, this road which leads to the Chikatpalli police station has been, closed down, has been barricaded by the police and has been closed for the public. And very shortly, just now, Akansha was reporting from Jubilee Hills residence of Allu Arjun, and there he has just left along with what we are given to understand is his counsel will be along with him, and also one or two family members will also be coming here. Along with his, along with him is what we are given to understand. So they will be here shortly, and very soon, the questioning will begin, is what we are given to understand. And on the other hand, higher officials have already arrived here, and to ensure that everything moves smoothly, and also at the same time, police are not allowing, anyone to even gather here. Even there are limitations for the media. We can also clearly see that here. They are not even allowing nearby to the police station because this has become a big case now. Very sensitive issue and very sensitive case, because even yesterday at Chief Minister's residence, this meeting was conducted between the top leaders of the Congress party, and Chief Minister himself has asked the PCC chief Mahesh Kumar Gaud to ensure that the Congress leaders, including ministers, MLCs, MLAs, doesn't speak on Allu Arjun's issue unnecessarily, or
to not make it
required.
political. But
So,
Shomit, can you show us around at the police station the kind of security deployment that has been put in place, details of the questioning that he is likely to face, and when is he expected to reach the police station now that he has started from his residence?
Very shortly is expected here, and our VJ is showing the shots here. Even higher officials have arrived, and massive police deployment here at Chikatpalli police station, and even police officials are ensuring that no one reaches here, or no one unnecessarily comes here, apart from who are from the media or who are from the department itself. Even women forces have been deployed here to ensure that even if women fans come here, they will be driven away. And on the other hand, they have closed down the roads here at Chikatpalli, and on the other hand, even at Jubilee Hills residence, those roads have been barricaded, and police will be ensuring that he will be reaching Chikatpalli police station shortly. He will be questioned after that by the investigation officer, is what we are given to understand. And on the other hand, other officials from the neighboring zones, from the west zone, east zone and north zone and the south zone, the officials have been deployed here. We can clearly see they have gathered here, and they will be ensuring that no other person who is not related to this case will be arriving here. And at the same time, even fans, like last time, fans gathered here at the police station in huge number. So this time, even fans will be not allowed, and this road has been completely shut down for the public and also even for the fans. And on the other hand, after Allu Arjun arrives, he will be escorted to the SHO's room, and in the presence of higher officials, including ACP and also DCPs from, even like I said, even higher officials from neighboring zones have been deployed here. Higher officials have been deployed here. So in the presence of higher officials, the questioning will continue, and it will be recorded in the CCTV it will be recorded in the CCTVs and also in the cameras. And Allu Arjun will be arriving here along with his counsel, and what we are given to understand is 1 to 2 persons will also be arriving here, is what we are given to understand. And he will be questioned when related to the Sandhya Theatre incident, and also even in the notice copy which Times Now has exclusively accessed, in that it has been clearly mentioned by the police that High Court has asked the respondents, the accused, to cooperate with the investigation. So who is the respondent? One of the respondents is Allu Arjun. So initially the petition was filed, and later IA was filed in the High Court, and then he was given interim bail. And one of the condition in the bail order was to cooperate with the investigation. So that point has been cited by the police in the order, in the notice copy issued to Allu Arjun, which we have exclusively accessed. And Allu Arjun has accepted it, has acknowledged it, and after after meeting his counsel, he has concluded that he will be coming here shortly. Like our colleague Akanksha has just showed shots from his residence.
We're continuing to get these visuals from the spot, Shomit, interrupting